human species is ecology and environment. Nothing is out there. So that made us ignorant. So all the problems is the outcome of our ignorance. So better you teach ecological education. This is the first thing, starts in the family. Mother and father, they should be really trained in ecological matters. All right? So you become a professor, you become a chancellor. One Tamil song, beautiful Tamil song, a family is a university. That is what the translation. A family is a kind of a university. In university, you are taught mathematics, history, geography, all kinds of mathematical subjects. But in family, you really teach the subject which are not at all taught in any other university in the world. In family, the father and mother are the chancellors, they are the professors, and at last they give you the PhD or MA or BA degree in love, in compassion, in tolerance, in sacrificing. See, very important subjects. That is the subjects where every kid should have a degree. The other things only to make money. But to have a better life, I think this university really should invest. The father and mother, ecology education is the first class education a parent can give to their children. It's the best investment. So now, 213, Pope writes, ecological education can take place in a variety of settings, at school, families, media, catechesis and elsewhere. Good education plants seeds when we are young, and these continue to bear fruit throughout life. 220, we are not disconnected from the rest of creatures, but joined in a splendid universal communion. This is a very abstract statement. You are thinking, suddenly Father is jumping. What does it mean? Actually, this sentence can be understood only through education. That's why I put that sentence. How? See this here. Orangutan, that is your ape, Malaysian ape. This is the Bornean orangutan. There is also Sumatran orangutan. There are two species there. So this one, through genetic study, ecological education, we understand orangutan, how many genes are identical with the human genetics. Now we can compare medically. The scientific research tells us that 96% of the orangutan DNA is identical with human DNA. 96%. In other words, orangutan is 96% human being. Actually, the kingdom, the subkingdom, the phylum, the genus, the family, the order, everything is the same for human also. From top to order and family level, everything is, they also belong to family called Hominoidea. We are also Hominoidea. Only species level we change. We are Homo sapiens. So they are all included in our family. So this is 96%. Look at that. That knowledge is acquired through ecological education, not through any other means. And this is gorilla. Other three great apes, they are known as the great apes. One is Asian, the other three are African. This is gorilla, 97% identical with human DNA. They are from Uganda, Tanzania, they live on equator. They tell humans, they send a message, hey humans, you know best place to live for you? Equator, 20 degree north, 20 degrees south. They are telling to Pope, that is not the place to live for humans. That is for the polar bears. That is 60 degree, 80 degree north. Humans should never go and live there. So the great apes are telling us, that's a message. So best is equator. All the apes, your orangutan, equator, I think 20 degree south or 10 degree south. These are exactly equator. Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, all that area. 97% identical with human DNA. Here comes bonobo, chimp. He's a second chimpanzee. We call it scientifically. Third chimpanzee is us. We are not even having first chimpanzee. We have lost. We have only bronze medal, no gold medal, no silver medal, only bronze. So we are third chimpanzee. You go home today, type in Google, who is third chimpanzee? It will tell you, you are the third chimpanzee. This is second chimpanzee. 98% identical with human DNA. Here comes 99.9%. Chimp. He is the superstar. And he is identical. He is almost human. What almost human? He is human. Yeah. We can't talk. Not only that, he does. We talk. For him, only truth he speaks. But we can lie now because language. I don't like you, but I can say I love you. But they can't lie. They have to go and prove that I'm loving you. Grooming. Because there is no language, you have to prove that I love you, so you groom. So this is 99 point. So, again I want to read the same quote from Pope Francis. Again, go back, read this quote. We are not disconnected from the rest of creatures, but join in a splendid, universal communion. Oh my God. You can't beat that sentence. In other words, don't misunderstand Pope Francis. He is not telling that we came from monkeys. No, he is not telling that. But our DNA is so much closely related to other creatures in the natural world. That tells us that we are a family. So far, you have seen all this is our family album photos. That's what you saw there now. Anyway, the second one is ecological spirituality. Alright? What is ecological spirituality? Simply put it, finding God's presence in creation. You see, the Spirit of God, every part of creation. Alright? The atom also contains three words: proton, electron, and neutron. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Every ecosystem contains three: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Everything is Trinitarian. So everything we see as a revelation of God. Psalm number 104 again. You read it, you will understand. God Himself is revealing. John 1st chapter. In the beginning there was Word, and the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. So in Him and with Him and move our being. And also we will be shocked that John, the 1st chapter, same word is become in the creation. That is the shock. Then you understand, oh my God, what I am seeing is the manifestation of God. When I see water, this is not only sister, when I feel thirsty, God Himself becoming water for me. When I eat mango, I like, He becomes a mango. When you want to eat a fish, He becomes a fish for you. When you want a rose and put it